Hey, Sylvia Gorenszach here, and I'm a gel moment independent distributor, and I wanted to show you something that I've been playing around with today. So I did this on a nail stick, and it's using magnetic polishes with a little bit of chrome, and I want to recreate that for you. So how about we get right to it? The first thing I'm going to do is put 2 coats of Raven's Kiss on my nails to give a nice base for that crowd color that we're going to be using. Now I've rotated my hand this way, so I find it's a little bit easier to control where you want the sparkles. So I'm using the cylinder magnet. I'm coming in on the side here, and you can see that it's activating the product. And then I just come over here, and it's just really, really shimmery, okay? Now, what I'm doing is going to create a cat eye look by going in and kind of shrinking the area. I'm using the tip. If you use the side, if you use the side of the magnet, you get different looks, but if you use the tip, you get a different look here too. So I'm using the tip of it and just going in, letting it basically do its work, coming in a little bit more on the top, and then a little bit more on the bottom. And you can see we're getting that nice depth to that nail. So I'm gonna come in a little bit more here. Basically just play around with it until you get the look that you're looking for. And if at any point that you do not get the look that you're looking for, or you demagnetize it, you don't like it, before you cure it, just take your polish and just repolish the nail. That looks pretty good. So how about we give that a cure? So next we're going to put a coat of Simply Clear on here. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to put chrome on here, and I know that the chrome sticks really well to Simply Clear. You could use Clearly Frisky as well if that's your choice, but I'm just putting a coat on here, and I'll give this a full cure. So I have extraterrestrial chrome here, and I'm going to take my little applicator stick and cover the entire nail. And you might be wondering, where is she going with this? But just stay tuned and I will show you the magic. Now with extraterrestrial in here, I'm not sure if you can tell because on here I actually have it on there, but I've done the magnetic properties underneath, so you can actually see, I'm not sure if it's coming up on the video or not, but you can actually see the magnetic properties and the cat eye underneath. This one, not so much, because this was a very light application of the chrome. This is more solid, but anyhow. So the chrome is on there, so now we're going to take it to the next step. So I have some Simply Clear on here, and I have a little dotting tool, a little brush, and what I'm going to do is just draw some petals. I'm going to give this a full cure. So now I'm going to do the same thing, but on this part of the nail, and just draw a couple of petals. But also do a little line. And we'll give that a cure. Okay, now you want to take a cleanser pad, and this is where you're going to reveal your artwork. You just basically wipe off all the chrome off the nail, and what's left behind is the stuff that we've cured. So just give it a good wipe, a good scrub, so you get all of the chrome that hasn't been sealed under that Simply Clear or Clearly Frisky. And this is what we're left with, a cute little design with a cat eye underneath. I'm gonna carry on to the other nail, and who knows what I'm gonna do here. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do this finger or this finger, but I want you to stay tuned to the end of the video, and then you'll find out exactly what my final look looks like. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Really appreciate your support on my channel, and let me know if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions of any nail art that you wanna see in the future. Ciao, ciao for now.